Oops. Time for sunshine.
Welcome to the Fizzy Show!
I'm so hungry! It's okay, Wade. We'll find you some food. But I need food now! Watch where you're going! Oh my goodness, Wade! Oh, no, Wade, stop!
Nobody panic! Nobody panic! We're here!
Oh no, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry we messed up your home. Wade was hangry.
Hangry?
Hangry. You know, hungry and angry.
Oh, that's not good! It's alright, Phoebe. We can clean it up with a little bit of Fizzy magic! Awesome sauce! Fizzy, whizzy, bo, fizzy, bo!
Oh, that looks much better. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful.
Uh-oh, looks like we better get Wade some food. Lunchtime? Yeah, awesome sauce!
I've got a great idea. We could do an element-themed lunch. Oh, Ember, that's so beautiful. I love it.
Oh, not again! Fizzy, quick! Miss Hands, we need a hand.
Hey everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. What should we put in first?
Oh, I know! Marshmallows!
Yeah, they could be our clouds. Oh, that's so cute and fluffy. Here, let me help.
No, Ember, careful!
Oops. No, not the poor little baby marshmallow. Oops. Well, I was aiming for lightly toasted.
Hey, it's all right. Yeah, they're kind of edible. Right, Fizzy?
Don't worry, I've got a great idea. Be right back. Ta-da! What do you think?
Wow, that looks super cool! Or should I say, hot!
Whoa, a campfire? That's so cool. Thanks, Miss Hands. That's all right, Ember. All right, let's try something a little easier this time.
Like what? Oh, what about an apple? A carrot? A unicorn!
I was actually kind of thinking of a sandwich.
That's a great idea, Miss Hands!
A raindrop, and it'll look like me. Oh, gee, thanks, guys.
Awesome sauce! It'll be the same element as weed! Water!
That's so cool. Thanks, Miss Hands. That's all right, Wade. All right, first things first, we gotta put peanut butter and jelly on our bread. Perfect. Now we gotta cut out a beautiful raindrop, but be careful. Perfect. Now to draw on some eyes using this edible ink marker. Aw, doesn't it look so cute? Time to go ahead and put it in our lunchbox. All right, one beautiful raindrop sandwich. Perfect. Aw, and look, it's raining. Nope, time for sunshine.
That's so much better! I've got a great idea, Phoebe! What
this round cheese look like the earth with this edible marker.
Perfect!
Ta-da! What do you think?
Ah! A real earthquake! Quick, run! Run!
Oops! Sorry, Phoebe. Just my belly rumbling.
Oh, right! False alarm!
Perfect. Now time for the final element.
Air!
That's right, Fizzy. Come on. All right, for this one, we're gonna use our super cute cloud cutters. So cute. Ta-da! 2 super cute clouds. Let's go ahead and put them in our lunchbox. All right, in they go. 1, 2. Perfect. Now for the final touch. Some magical stars.
Whoa! Real stars? How did you do that?
Not real stars, Phoebe. Chocolate stars.
Chocolate! Yum! Ta-da! We did it! This lunchbox looks great! Awesome sauce! Great job, team!
Yeah, I love my sandwich. And I love my campfire. It looks just like me.
It's fair to say that was a pretty successful lunchbox.
Hey, not without the taste test.
Oh, yeah! Good point, Wade.
So, what are we waiting for?
It's eating time! Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy, fantastic day. We will see you next time! All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bop.